Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. If you look in my fridge, you might find a bottle of vinaigrette and maybe dressing. These are for when I feel lazy. Because most of the time, I prefer making my own, like this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my creamy cilantro lime dressing. Super quick to make, this flavorful condiment is so tasty and will definitely enhance your salads. So let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll add mayo, then sour cream, a quarter cup of fresh cilantro, a medium clove of pressed garlic, freshly squeezed lime juice, and some lime zest. We'll also add smoked paprika, ground cumin, our favorite spice of mine, a little bit of ground sea salt, and the same with freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir the ingredients until very well blended. Now we'll start adding milk, a tablespoon at a time. Stir, and keep adding another one until we reach our desired consistency. I normally use a quarter cup. To this, we'll add agave nectar, which will give a touch of sweetness to the dressing. And of course, we'll mix it in. As I always say, we'll taste and adjust the seasonings if needed. We'll cover and transfer to the fridge for 1 hour. And my friends, this is our creamy cilantro lime dressing. Light and tasty, this homemade condiment is a keeper. With fresh Mexican ingredients, this recipe will certainly enhance your salads. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!